Okay, YouTubers, this is the Angry Prepper. Today's episode is going to be on Survivor water filter. Now, this company sent me this to test it out. So today is going to be the first day that I broke it out of the box and I'm actually going to test it out. Now, this water, I've been told, is pretty bad, right? It's contaminated with chemicals from Stewart Airport, a few miles away from here, probably about a couple years ago, so they still think that it's contaminated. I don't know, I don't have a way of finding that out, other than I'm going to take the locals' word for it and test out the Survivor filter. Now, Survivor filter, I'm not sure how much it is, but I'm going to put the price of it right now. Amazon price and the Survivor company's website price. All right, so now, this has a pre-cotton filter at the bottom, an ultra filter, and a carbon filter at the top. This is the part you suck the water through, and this is where the water comes through. Now, there's one thing I'm going to do slightly different than try to lean into this and drink water from it. Now, you can drink water from any stagnant water source or flowing water source. We're going to try a flowing water source that is, again, supposedly contaminated, and we're going to drink from it. But I am not going to try to lean into this and drink out of it. Rather, I'm going to fill it up, this plastic bag, I'm going to fill up with water, and I'm going to drink out of here like a gentleman, right? Why be a savage and try to lean into it? Even if the water source is stagnant, like on top of a rock, or you really can't get the bag in to scoop the water out, then so be it. But at a flowing water source, just open the bag and scoop the water. And there you go. Now there is one problem, and that's holding it. Therefore, I'm going to close it off as much as I can. Stick the straw in, like so. It's fine. Now, as far as it being contaminated and tasting anything, I don't taste anything. They said that you can smell it. I don't smell the contamination in the bag. I don't smell the chemical that they're talking about. I'll post the chemical at the bottom of the screen now. This is one of the chemicals they were talking about was in this water. So, that's that. Real simple, guys. You don't have to sit there and get into a compromising position to suck out of this. You don't want to leave yourself exposed if you're bugging out with this. Just put it in a plastic bag, drink out of the straw, do it like a gentleman. Now you're drinking out of here, and you can still look around instead of having your face into a water source and drinking from it. Again, if it's a stagnant source, that's different. And you can't get the bag in to scoop the water out, then you're going to have to lean in. All right, guys? So this is the Angry Prepper. Thank you for watching. I'm going to put the water filter, the Life Straw water filter. This is not even a Life Straw, I'm sorry. I'm going to put the Survivor Filter's straw in the description below. Alright guys, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, and Twitter. You can also watch my my urban channel, and you can also listen to me a podcast. Thank you for watching.